Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko Ranggesto. And for today's episode 14, must-try Milktea products plus burger with fries, Mukbang by Marlou's, Sizzling, and Milktea House. Marlou's Sizzling and Milktea House is located at Villa Arevalo beside RD Pawnshop and in front lang siya ng Villa Public Market. Along the road and very limited yung parking space niya. And they're open 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Opens every day, Mondays to Sundays. And yung seating capacity can accommodate 15 to 25 persons. Open air lang siya mga kanos. And they have electric fan provided. And I'll be providing their full list of menu, especially their savory products, description down below. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own honest opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews and other products. And this video is semi-sponsored, meaning tatlong drinks po sponsored na by Marlou's, especially sa 59 price range, and sa remaining drinks and also sa burger in my own personal expense. Big shout out for Mom Cheryl for this recommendation for Marlou's, Sizzling, and Milktea House. Hi there mga nos! So I'm here, Milktea products, also their signature na si Marlou's Burger with Fries. Based sa request niyo, include ako ng mga foods for this episode and for the upcoming. So let's start mga nos! First product, caramel milk tea for medium size, 59 pesos. Ito yung kanilang caramel milk tea. Unang makick-in sa akin yung caramel essence niya. Nandun yung tamis. At the same time, medyo faint yung tea essence nito. Pearls niya, very soft. Very delicate siya. Hindi siya yung tipong pearls na matigas sa loob. Ito, perfect na perfect siya. And introduce ko lang mga kanos. This is their Marlou's Burger with Fries for 100 pesos. Yan. Nakakita nyo mga kanos, medyo konti na lang yung fries kasi kinain ko kanina. Nandito yung patty niya, yung buns, tapos yung mayo, yung ketchup, yung cabbage, or lettuce, tapos yung cheese. Ito yung fries. Yung fries nila, hindi siya yung tipong overcooked, paka-oily. Ito, saktong-sakto siya. So, I do apologize mga kanos kung medyo messy ako. Yan. Yan. Yung Marlou's burger nila, sarap niya kasi yung patty niya or yung meat itself napaka-soft. Ito saktong-sakto yung pagkaluto niya. Tapos yung ingredients inside, ito may mixture siya ng savory, may sweetness, guess na meron siyang pickles, may tomatoes, cabbage or lettuce, also for the cheese. Laking burger na siya. Tapos may fries ka na. So, sakto na sakto talaga sa budget mo. At perfect combination siya sa mga Milktea products or drinks na pipiliin nyo. Ubusin ko talaga to mamaya. Kasi mukbang to. At dami pang drinks. For our second drink is Matcha milk tea for medium size, 59 pesos. Sarap. Yung kanilang matcha milk tea, perfect na perfect siya sa akin kasi yung hinahanap ko na thickness or lapuyat feel ng matcha, nandito talaga. And also yung parang lasang dahon ng matcha, yung maganda, hindi siya masyadong nag-overpower sa tamis. Every time magtitaste test ako mga kanos, magbabite ako dito sa Marlou's Burger. And for our third drink, ito po yung dark chocolate milk tea, medium size, for 59 pesos. Yung nagustuhan ko dito, sa lahat ng mga drinks nila, unang nag-kick in, especially sa milk tea, yung kanilang flavor talaga. Isang lasa mo talaga yung dark chocolate essence. Similarity sila, Milo, medyo konti lang or faint taste na tea essence. Hindi na lang yung fries. Apat na lang. For our fourth drink, this is the Red Velvet Milk Tea for medium size, 69 pesos. Parang hindi siya milk tea na ma-distinguish ko, pero parang cake drink siya. So, malasahan mo talaga yung red velvet essence niya. Parang kumakain ka na din yung cake. And for our last but not the least drink, is their Oreo cream cheese for medium size, 79 pesos. Yung unang malasahan ko dito yung cream cheese essence nila, which is good. Yung faint type. Ito, saktong-sakto lang siya. And para sa kanilang Oreo, marami siyang Oreo granules. Is niya, saktong-sakto. Cream cheese niya, parang na-eliminate niya or na-lessen niya konti ng sweetness dito. Sorry mga kanos kung medyo messy ako. So, this is my first mukbang, especially sa burger. Naubos ko na mga kanos yung Marlou's burger with fries. Success yung mukbang ko. Okay, for rating mga kanos, i-rate ko po yung Marlou's burger with fries. I'll give it a perfect 10. For milk tea series, for caramel milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For matcha milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For dark chocolate milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For red velvet milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. And also, for Oreo cream cheese, I'll give this a perfect 10. Big thank you again for Marlou's, Sizzling, and Milktea House for allowing me to reshoot and to feature some of your milk tea products, and most especially the very first mukbang for their signatures Marlou's burger with fries. And also, I would like to thank and shout out to Ma'am Cheryl sa pag-recommend ng Marlou's, Sizzling, and Milktea House. Maintains their good service, good quality of product, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners. So once again, thank you so much, Marlou's, Sizzling, and Milktea House. So thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga kanus. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesus saying, bye!